Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and the more I thought about it, we're still going to do Pygame first, but there was somebody who really spent a lot of time watching videos, really gave me some good feedback, shared random seed method with a lot of people, and really appreciate everything that they've done. So I'm going to go ahead and add Matplotlib. I'm not going to wait until we get one of the others done. So appreciate it. You know who I'm talking about. So, all right. So if you're new here, this is what we do. We do micro videos, subject matters that are searchable. So if there is something like right now, we're going to be talking about Matplotlib. We're going to be looking at it. So if you don't know how to install, we got a video for it. Pip install Matplotlib. So all right, I went ahead and deleted it so you could see it install. So everything that we have done, that we are doing, that I'm not talking about pip install. Guess what? There's a video for it. There's a pip update. There is everything is searchable, and this is your channel. You want a video, you ask for it, and you'll get it, because I want you to have one place to come and see. So all right, we're done with this. All right, import Matplotlib, run it. dir Matplotlib. Okay, that's a ton of stuff, right? Very cool. Tons. These libraries have been written by somebody else who is taking the time. This is why I love Python. It's a huge community. Use the tools that somebody else has already made. So all right, we are going to just go from there. We're gonna, if you don't know what Matplotlib, it takes information and it graphs. It's awesome. You can do literally anything you can think of. It is utilized in data science, and we're getting very, 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 very close to touching on some very awesome libraries. But there's some things and some concepts that I still want to touch on and build up our toolbox with some items. But I can't say thank you enough for watching. I appreciate it. Appreciate all the views. Love all the comments. Keep them coming. Keep requesting. I will knock them out. This is your channel. You guys are leading the way, and you guys are doing an awesome job. And it's very humbling. It really, truly is. So thanks again. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.